Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Before we start, before we start giving you all a forecast on the assets that I prepared here, please read the important risk notice of forex trading. This is your operational and technical analyst from the three F co. So the 3F use or trading under the platform JDR Securities, an Australian broker, an Australian STP broker. I just want to remind again that we may have differences in candles and also some of the spread and also the candlestick printed and the prices, but we base on technical analysis. So we have strategies that can also give you a an insights and can fit on assets assets under the broker na ginagamit ninyo. Alright, so I hope you guys had a very good week, trading week last week. Even the market is a little bit peculiar last week and boring or a little bit sluggish, but the majors made a big move also. But the XAUUSD has a sideways movement, but the 3F members, especially the Kickstart members, made a good analysis and also participation with the XAUUSD and even the majors. All right, so before we start, let's check our market movers this week from our forexfactory.com. All right, for this week, we have these red folders here. As you can see, we have the Tuesday, Monday. We don't have that high impact news, but the market will still, or the movement will still give us will still give us some pips on Monday, but Monday would be our major confluence or confirmations for the participation for the whole week or the intraday and intra-week participation of the market this week, August 12 and up to August 16 na movement ng market. All right, we have here Tuesday 9:30 a.m. the AUD and 2 p.m. Tuesday, the GBP, and we have the 8:30 core PPI. The Wednesday, we have the NZD and GBP, also the USD. The Thursday, we have the AUD, GBP, and also the USD. For the Friday, we have the AUD and GBP. Now, as you all know, that the 3F is focused on giving numbers or technical analysis. So we will not dig deep so much on the fundamentals or the folders here. But the Kickstart will know about the movement and they have sessions about movement. How can they use the Forex Factory as their confirmations of movement ng intraday and also the interweek. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump to our price chart. Alright, so I have here prepared the USDX or the US dollar index, GBP USD or the pound, Euro USD, AUD USD, and the NZD USD. We are at the daily time frame. The daily time frame gave us a nice confirmations for participations and also the prices levels that we need to watch for the whole week na trading na mga majors. Okay, I have here first the GBP USD. We will uh we will discuss lastly the US dollar index. So first we will start with the GBP USD. Learners on 3F or the Kickstart members participated GBP USD from the bottom. So we just closed a little profit last last week Friday. So we have this confluence here in a liquidity grab below this trend line support, and then a candle which is a confirmation of a strong bullish price action, uh strong bullish movement last Thursday. All right, for the GBP USD, I'm still looking forward for a movement towards the 1.2850 from the current market price 1.2750 to 1.2850. And then if the 1.2850 buyers will fail to close above this level, and then it will go back a little bit on 1.2800 and will continue to go up to and complete this ascending parallel pattern in the daily time frame. So from the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, the GBP USD asset is bullish. Okay. All right. So let's focus on the daily time frame because we can actually participate or maximize the day intraday trading and also intraday movement and also the intra-week movement of this asset. All right. So from 1.2850, a successful penetration of from the buyers, it will continue to go up to 1.20 1.29 1.2950 to 1.31, a completion of this ascending parallel pattern on the daily time frame. So remember the numbers. We have this 1.2700 and 1.2750 as a zone. But as you can see here, this is a good bounce last week at the trend line support. Now we have a little liquidity grab below the trend line support, and then a nice rally Friday, and then I'm expecting an inversion and shoulder pattern on the daily time frame inside the parallel pattern on this asset. All right, so let's move to the Euro USD. Euro USD daily time frame. So Euro USD, we have this symmetrical pattern, but we have a strong bounce exactly at 1.077 or 1.07750. Above this key level is buyers are still strong. Now, the 1.0850 or the 0.850 is a strong historical price from the monthly time frame down to daily time frame. All right, so we have a bullish open last week and haven't completed. Okay, if there is a comeback of movement or price movement towards 1.0850, 1.0850 below still a liquidity area, and a candle close above 1.0850 support. From here, it will continue to go up and penetrate the 1.099 Now, if the 1.0950 intersection of trend line resistance sa symmetrical pattern ni Euro USD, it will continue to go up to 1.10 to 1.1050, even the 1.1100. So I'm still bullish with the majors, especially the Euro USD has a potential of a long at least 150 pips. Okay, the numbers here, the significant or an important numbers to be watched ng Euro USD is the 1.050, 1.0900, and the 1.0950. Above 1.0950, buyers will continue to hike towards the 1.10 to 1.1050 and 1.11. So the highest uh, weekly movement target ng buyers is the 1 point, still the 1.12. we have a long target which is a 1.15, but as of now, the extension will be at 1.12. All right, as long as the price move above what historical price, one historical price support 1.0850, buyers are intact and can push the price and penetrate the 1.0950. So let's move to AUD USD daily time frame. All right. Okay, so I lost my lines here, but I will explain based on the candles. All right. So we have here a massive drop in a quick comeback of price back above significant level, which is the um support. Okay, this one is historical area. This is the monthly. I will show you the monthly time frame, so you will be confident on trading the AUD USD, because at the monthly time frame, this is a good swing setup. We have a position here. So we have this engulfing pattern at exactly at the buying area, and then we have this manipulation pin bar here exactly at the area of liquidity, and then we have this test. So this can be a third this month could be a third leg ng AUD USD and can form a W pattern, and buyers can push the price towards the 0.67 to 0.68 to 0.69, even the 0.72. But the 0.72 is a long hike for the buyers. Now here, as you can see on our charts weekly, we have this very strong bullish engulfing, and then we have also another point of interest here and an engulfing, and then these three candles here um, identify the strong liquidity area. Now the last week closed as another engulfing pattern. Now, still, we are at the rectangle area, but as you can see here, the candlestick closed as an engulfing and touched the area of mitigation. But I'm still bullish with the AUD USD because of the monthly and the weekly. Now, if we move down to the daily time frame, the daily time frame might give us a um, confusion, no? Because of this candle here. So this candle here, as long as the price move above 65.50, okay, as long as the price move above 65.50, it will continue to go up to first will be 66.00, 66.00, 66.50, 66.00, 66.50. Sorry, uh, uh I already prepared, but I don't know what's going on. Nawala yung mga lines ko dito. 66.50 up to the 67.50. So 66.50 to 67.50. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the high to the low of this impulse, we still have the 67. But if we use it at the very low, we have the 66.00 and the 66.50. But we have a lot of confirmation at the top or above that the price should go back to this area and fix it. All right, so I'm still bullish with for the AUD USD, but the strong confirmation will be Monday open. So the kickstart will have session at every market open, which is the Monday 6 a.m. Tuesday at 6 a.m. Preparation for the high impact news, study and analysis, technical analysis ng mga learners. Alright, let's move to NZD-USD. I have here the NZD-USD, and I actually posted the proper signal on NZD-USD that this is a swing and long position with the NZD-USD. Now we hit the target of 0.6000. Congratulations to those who followed our technical analysis on the majors because we hit at 100 plus pips every asset. All right, so I am expecting a little bit range or sideways movement here in the lower time frame ng NZD-USD before it will continue to go up. But if we check the higher time frame, like the monthly time frame has a 2 EGP or a bullish, two bullish engulfing here, which identifies as two legs. Okay, two legs. And then if this month will close as a pin bar or a strong pressure candle, then it will continue to go up to the highest, which is the 0.64 ng NZD-USD. So let's follow the NZD-USD from the current market price, which is, I will be holding my buys here ng NZD-USD. I closed some from the low, and then Monday I will observe the market open if I can participate. If buyers are ready to push up the price and test the 60.50, even the 61. I'm still bullish with the majors, NZD-USD, AUD-USD, Euro-USD, and GBP-USD. Now let's move to the US dollar index to analyze the technical analysis of US dollar index. Okay, the US dollar index, I am expecting there's a breakout of 103.31. So we actually followed US dollar index from 104.50 and 10500 key level or a resistance zone. Now, I mentioned on my previous analysis that a 104.50 and 10500 is a strong resistance ng US dollar index. Now, if there's a rejection at this zone, it will push down to 1.03. Now, 1.03 actually had a breakout. Now, a strong breakout. This is a proper breakout, and this is considered as a retest, but it might also go back up to 103.50 to test this liquidity area, and then it will continue to drop towards the 101. But we have the 10200 and 10150, also the 101.00. Now let's observe a bearish price action below 103.10350 and 10300 zone ng US dollar index. From here, if there is a strong bearish price action below 103.00 and 10350, price can push towards most low to connect this descending parallel pattern ni US dollar index. So if this happened, okay, if this happened, majors will push up. If there is a drop ng US dollar, again, we're going to observe the market open Monday to give a confluence or confirmation for the intra-week and intraday trading for this week, August 12 to August 16, 2024. All right, so if you're not yet a member ng the 3F, if you're not yet a member ng the 3F, you can message us on Facebook, or you can check our website www.the3f.co, or you can directly message us also on Telegram, and then you can ask further information about how to be a member ng the 3F. So the 3F will have a sessions, a price action. We focus on price actions and participating in the market. How can we participate properly and lessen the risk of our trading? All right. Thank you so much, team, and see you sa midweek analysis natin on Wednesday.